Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you one by one border ribbing. So for that I have taken here this brown color yarn. This is 4 ply medium weight yarn. You can use this border ribbing for any sweater or hat border. We will be casting on few stitches. As you already know, we will be casting it by using long tail method. So first we insert into the loop on thumb, then on the index finger and loop over the thumb again. I will be casting on around 50 stitches here to show the one by one ribbing border. So once again insert needle through the thumb and then from index finger and again loop over from the thumb. Follow this and I will see you once we are done with the required cast on stitches. So here I am done with casting on 50 stitches. This is the long tail. Pull out one needle. We will begin with knit 1 purl 1 stitches here. So first stitch I will slip off knitwise. Now yarn in the front. Now purl the next stitch. Third one is knit. So like this we will repeat knit 1 purl 1 till the end of the first row. So here I am done with my first row. This is how it looks after the first row. First row we started with knit and purl. So for second row we will start with purl and then we will knit. So see the stitch before. If it is purl stitch, purl it. If it is a knit stitch, knit it. So this is purl wise slipped, first one. Then yarn on the back. Now knit the next stitch and continue like this. And that's all about one by one rib. You have to repeat these 2 rows for your desired height of border. I usually make 8 to 10 rows repeat for sweaters and 5 to 7 rows repeat for caps. I will show you how it looks after 8 rows repeat. This is how it looks after the 8 rows repeat, and that's how we make one by one ribbing. You can make it for any sweater or jacket or caps pattern, or even you can make muffler with these patterns. Do try it out and let me know if you have any questions, queries about this pattern. If you like content on this channel, then please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing channel for more such content. Thanks for watching and happy knitting. See you in the next one.